Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and if you are new, thank you so much for watching. So in today's video, I am going to do an unboxing. It's my first unboxing for 2021. So technically it's not a luxury unboxing, but maybe for some of you, maybe it is. But first, I am going to do a luxury unboxing on my next video, so stay tuned for this one when I publish. So I'm also excited for this one. Okay, so let's get to it. So I am going to unbox, I'm so excited, my new phone. It is the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. So this, I pre-ordered this on the 20th of January and it came on the 27th, but we were away, so I only picked it up a few days ago. So this is it here, guys. I'm so excited. By pre-ordering this phone, I was able to get the awesome bonus deal where you get the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. So yeah, I get that for free and it's worth 350 Australian dollars. So yeah, I can't wait to get them. So I'll have to redeem it online and hopefully I'll get them sometime next week. But for now, let's do the unboxing. So yeah, I'm so excited to show you guys. As you can see, it's a nice compact box. Alright. So here it is, guys. This is what I got. So I got the 512 gigabyte Galaxy S21 Ultra in Phantom Black. Look how beautiful it is. It is so sleek and seamless. So that's the front. That's the back. And I believe this is the game changer, the 5 camera lens. So I cannot wait to use this phone because it also has a feature, I think it's called for vlogging, so you can actually film the front and the rear camera at the same time. So yeah, I can't wait to use that function. So that's that. And so it comes with, so that it comes with the little box in here. So it comes with the pin and the cable, and then you get the quick start guide, the warranty card, and the Samsung Care. So I was actually surprised that it did not come with the charging brick, but oh well, that's fine. And also the only con that I can think of is it doesn't have the expandable memory anymore. So that's why I got the 512 gigabyte, because I'm gonna be doing a lot of photography and videoing and vlogging, so I think that's enough capacity. So yeah, as you can see, it is beautiful. I actually haven't set it up yet because yeah, I just haven't had a chance, but I love the color and it's more of a matte. See how pretty. Yeah, so that's that. And I'm gonna compare it. I'm gonna compare the size between this and my current phone, which is the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Okay, as you can see the difference in size. So this is the S21 Ultra and this is the S9 Plus. So it's a little bit longer and I think this one is a little bit thicker. So if I do this, you can see. There you go. So yeah, that's that. So yeah, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to use my new phone. So thank you guys for watching. Until next time, bye for now.